Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Fortnite stuttering on PC with some practical steps that can make a big difference. First, update your graphics drivers to the latest version because outdated drivers often cause performance issues and frame drops. Next, open Fortnite settings and lower graphics options like shadows, effects, and view distance to reduce system load. After that, switch the rendering mode to performance mode or DirectX 11 for smoother gameplay on most systems. Also, close unnecessary background applications, especially heavy programs like browsers or recording software, to free up CPU and RAM. Then, make sure your game files are not corrupted by verifying them through the Epic Games Launcher. You can also enable high performance mode in your Windows power settings for better stability. Finally, check your internet connection, since lag can sometimes feel like stuttering. These steps should help improve your gameplay and reduce stutters significantly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.